Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your flight preferences to the Oman Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Sinbad button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner and tap on edit profile, that's the first option. Tap on preferences. Select the preferred seat such as bulkhead seat or window seat and your preferred meal if you have any preferences such as child meal, fruit platter, seafood meal and so on. And tap on the save button down below in order to save your preferences in the profile section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.